Hey, welcome to Oddsview, and for the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to use our arbitrage betting tool. So, first things first, we'll go up to the top right-hand side, and we'll select our state that we're in. This will configure a bunch of important stuff on the site for you, like our one-click bets and our sports book, so make sure to do this right away. I'm based in New York, so I'll select New York. What I'll do then is check on our sportsbook. So these are automatically configured to all of the available New York sportsbooks, but you can also make manual changes. So I would recommend also enabling Fliff and Bet Online. Next, what we'll want to do is actually go over to our arbitrage betting tool, which is over here on the left-hand side. You're actually able to then toggle between live and pre-match arbitrage with this toggle over here. For demonstration purposes, we'll stick with just pre-match arbitrage. Next, what we'll want to do is configure our maximum bet size. So by setting this at, say, $1,000, that means the maximum size of a wager that we would put on one bet would be $1,000. So for this top example, you can see that it's capped at 1,000 on the minus 260 Fanatics line, and that means we have to place 375 on the FanDuel side, which is plus 270. Next, you want to take a look at your filters. I'd recommend leaving all the leagues on as well as all of the markets. Just a disclaimer, the more niche of a market that you bet on, the more likely you are to get limited by that sportsbook since it's a bit more suspicious. So betting on something like player triples, for example, is going to raise more red flags than, say, betting on the money line spread or total. Next, we don't want to set a minimum percentage. We want to see everything that's available, so you can just leave this blank. For the odds range, we also don't want to set a minimum or a maximum. It's better to just see all of the available opportunities and go from there. We also want to leave alternates on. And so now you can see all the available pre-match arbitrage bets right now. All that's left to do is actually validate your bets and then place them. So what I mean by validate is you can actually go ahead and click on any one of these betting opportunities, and you can actually see where the lines are. So you can see that this is the plus 270 FanDuel line, and you can see that the Fanatics line is minus 260 on the other side. Now all that's left is to actually go ahead and place those bets, and we've made that as easy as possible for you guys. So on the right-hand side, we have our one-click betting technology. Wherever it says bet, we're actually going to go ahead and place that bet in the bet slip for you. So this plus 270 line on FanDuel, we can actually go ahead and click that right here, and that'll put the plus 270 line directly in FanDuel. And where it says game, that means the sportsbook doesn't allow us to put it in the bet slip for you. So we do the next best thing, and we actually take you to that game so you can go ahead and place the bet. And where it says book, that means it's a mobile sportsbook only, so you have to actually go on your phone and place the bet from there. And so that's the entire Oddsview Getting Started guide for arbitrage. If you guys have any questions, hit us up in our Discord in the top right-hand side, or hit us up at support@oddsview.com. We're always there. Thanks.